Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power and confirming connections, because most blinking lights mean a power or signal issue. First, confirm the monitor and wall outlet or strip are supplying power. Make sure cables are tight. Once done, unplug the monitor for 60 seconds and press the power button for 10 seconds to fully discharge capacitors. This resets simple firmware hiccups. Finally, observe and remember the exact blink pattern. It guides the next diagnostic steps. You now check the signal path because a blinking light often signals no or intermittent input. Start by cycling the monitor input using its OSD menu. Use HDMI, DisplayPort, and VGA if available to see which accepts signal. Next, inspect and swap cables. Bent pins or a broken conductor will produce flicker. Then connect the monitor to another computer or laptop. If the blink disappears, the fault is likely in the original machine's GPU drive. You finish by addressing firmware and possible internal faults because persistent blinking can stem from firmware or power board failure. First, check for an official firmware update and apply it carefully. Firmware can fix power management bugs. If blinking persists and you have electronics experience, open the monitor to inspect the power board. Look for swollen capacitors or burnt components and replace them with exact spec parts. If you're unsure, document the blink pattern and contact support or a qualified repair service for a reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.